Hey, hey there. Hey guys. Thank you for being here. Um, that's gonna be a quick trade recap for December. Holy fuck, no. What's that? It's January already. For January 21st. Um, Low key, let me show you something. Um, like, I have these 5 days not recorded for whatever reason, which I don't want to go over right now. Discipline is my second name. Discipline is my nature. Um, anyway, this is not the topic of this video. So long story short, for for the trades that I took today, I had a couple levels I was looking at. Um, Specifically, this level right here, since there is a price imbalance that hasn't been filled yet, and that was the second level that was looking at. So basically, just a price swing, lower high, higher low, call it whatever you want to. Yeah, just a liquidity point of interest. Hell yeah. So, um, let me just change the color real quick. So that was the very first trade that I took. Um, Pretty much the same story as always, with some add-ons. So here's the fair value gap that been violated, with the break of structure right here. So basically, there was my entry once we got this inversion fair value gap retested with short position. I've been shorting for the whole month of December, and it's not working well, to be honest, for me. Since anyway, I've been shorting this week. Once we came down here, anyway. Um, so yeah, that's the short position, and obviously I got stopped out later on in the day with the $40 drawdown. All right, no biggie. Um, Moving on into the day. So that's the second point of interest, just this relative equal, just basically like a single standing high right there. And what happened next? Again, pretty much the same story, the same fair value gap, bullish fair value gap that being violated. And on the retest, I've entered my short position again. But there is like just a little tiny add-on into this position. We have a SMT divergence on the ES, as you can see, was that high and lower high, while on Nasdaq there was like a higher high followed by another lower high followed by another high. So this like the structure difference for these two main pairs, as you can see. So just another, like an extra confluence to take this trade. So that was my initial entry right here for the short position. And once we broke the structure with the there's a little tiny price imbalance, but if you switch in 2 minutes, oh, where are we at? If we switch in 2 minutes, it's like a clean fair value gap right here with the retest. For the short, for the second contract, that was my first target, second target, both of them got hit. So I ended up plus $100 on the day. which is nice. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Later in the day we did have some like weird price action. For whatever reason, like the price just went up, straight shoot, all the way up. No news, nothing, but anyway. Thank you for being here. And yeah, me, Mr. Consistency. I'll try to be back soon. Thank you guys.